Our lesson today is about mechanical actions. Objectives. At the end of this presentation, the students should be able to measure the magnitude of a force, represent the force by a vector. Magnitude of a force. To measure the magnitude of a force, a spring balance is used. The spring balance consists of a spring or wire with a hook at the bottom that can be pulled down slowly. This is the spring balance. This is the wire of the spring balance. This is the hook of the wire, and this is the pointer of the spring balance. The reading of the spring balance is the magnitude of the force. To find or to measure the magnitude of the force, we have to use the spring balance. Without applying any force, the pointer of the spring balance remains at zero. Now, when the hook is pulled down by a force F, the pointer of the spring balance moves from 0 to a value, which is 4 in this case. To find the magnitude of the force, we have to multiply the value indicated by the spring balance by the scale of the spring balance. This is the scale of the spring balance. Then the magnitude of the force, F, is equal to 4, the value indicated by the spring balance, in this case, multiplied by the scale, which is 0.1. Then the value of the magnitude of the force F is 0.4 Newton. Representation of a force. A force, as we know, has a point of application, a line of action, a direction, and a magnitude. These are the elements of vector. So, force can be represented by a vector. To represent or to draw a force vector, we have to use a suitable scale. Since the SI unit of force is in Newton, and to draw or to represent a force, we have to use the ruler. And the unit of the ruler is centimeter. To represent Newton by a centimeter, then we have to use a scale. To get the idea, we have to understand and to focus on the following examples. Example number 1. The force F done at point A is horizontal to right and of magnitude 10 Newton. Represent the force using the scale. 1 centimeter represents 5 Newton. First of all, we have to find the value in centimeter that represent the force. We can use the scale. 1 centimeter represents 5 Newton. Then 10 Newton, which is the magnitude of the force, by how much will be represented. We have to find the value of x. We can use the cross multiplication method in order to find the value of x. Then x equal 1 times 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2 centimeter. The force is represented by 2 centimeter. At point A, the direction of the force and the line of action is horizontal to right. Then we have to draw the force horizontal to right and of magnitude represented by 2 centimeter. Using the ruler, we can draw the force horizontal to right and represented by 2 centimeter. Example number 2. The force F done at point B is vertically downward. The line of action and direction are vertically and downward, and of magnitude 15 Newton. Represent the force using the scale. 1 centimeter represents 3 Newton. To draw or to represent the force, we have to use the scale. 1 centimeter represents 3 Newton. Then the magnitude of the force, 15 Newton, by how much will be represented? To find the value of x, we have to use the cross multiplication method. The value of x will be 1 times 15 divided by 3, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Then the force represented by 5 centimeter. At point B, the force is vertically downward. We have to draw the force vertically downward and represented by 5 centimeter. We can draw it using the ruler. Example number 3. The force F done at point C is down to right, making angle 30 with the horizontal and of magnitude 7 in Newton. Represent the force using the scale. 1 centimeter represents 2 Newton. To draw or to represent the force, we have to use the scale in order to find the value of the force can be represented by centimeter. Using the scale, 1 centimeter represents 2 Newton. The magnitude of the force, which is 7 Newton, by how much will be represented? To find the value of x equal 1 times 7 divided by 2, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. To draw the value, to draw or to represent the force at point C, we have to draw a force down to right, making angle 30 degree with the horizontal, and represented by 3.5 centimeter that can be drawn by using the ruler. This is the horizontal, 30 degree with the horizontal, and by using the ruler we can draw the or represent the force F. Thank you.